Hi, my name is Alicia Love, and I currently work as a group facilitation specialist at a domestic violence, sexual assault, and comprehensive crime agency. I facilitate groups within the community at the local drug and alcohol facilities, outpatient mental health, and virtual support groups. I also participate in on-call rotations, volunteer staff training, and assist other departments. I also volunteered at the State Correctional Institution at Muncie and facilitated a group there. The three assets that I will bring into the class and generalist social work practice are that I have been in my field for 12 years, providing individual, group, crisis, and supportive counseling in various roles at the current agency I work for. Next, I'm very patient in my personal and professional life, and my patience has helped me use my existing counseling skills and has allowed me to build on my current skill level. Lastly, the trauma-informed knowledge that I have learned and used not only in my professional life, but in my personal life as well. All of these assets will be helpful as I dive into the work as a future social worker and continue learning from my classmates and professor. I believe I never stop learning. I look forward to working with, learning from, and meeting everyone.